Hi guys, this is Guru Prasad. I am a partner of Vijay Raja. Not only a partner, I am also a friend. Not only a friend, I also like him a lot. Not only liking him a lot, I also fight with him a lot. We both head the brand building and strategy and business development part of Guru Anjana. So I get to interact with him on three fronts. I get to interact with him as a friend. I get to interact with him as an academician. I get to interact with him as a professional. One underlying thing in all the three roles he plays, he always loves people, he always is happy. In fact, we have a diary in the office, and in the diary everybody writes their mental philosophy, and he has written there, happiness is not a goal, happiness is the way, that is the essence of it. He comes to office maybe 3 hours or 4 hours, he goes around hugging everybody. The moment he does that, people start pouring down to him for knowledge. He clarifies everything from a pin to a plane with such cleanness, such clarity and such simplicity. And after all that, we sit down to eat together and he takes food from everybody's carrier. He eats like a crazy fellow, but nowadays he has been trying to reduce it. I've been thinking, you've been teaching for 21 years, at any point of time you don't look beyond 21. We both have tooled enough, so I would know from early morning to the late night how he does, what he does. One beautiful thing about him is, the moment I tell him something, he'll keep looking at his growth, even at this stage. He's not looking at a situation, I've already arrived, I'm a company secretary, I'm a chartered accountant, I'm a cost accountant, la 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 la. He'll not just stop there. Every day he'll tell, Guru, why did you do this? And he tries, keep picking up new things, new knowledge, new acquisitions, and it's amazing. One real incident I would like to share about him is he's a stickler for preparation. Without preparation, he doesn't do anything. He prepares well, he goes fully dotted. The T's have to be crossed and the I's have to be dotted, otherwise he doesn't go to the dais. And I am totally the opposite. So we always keep having fight with each other. I tell, look, I am preparing the PowerPoint presentation when his speech is going on, but he doesn't like that type of thing. But slowly, recently we went to Ahmedabad and presented to some huge number of chartered accountants. There he also started developing the same thing. Come on, I will also just go to the stage and just bang it out. And he rocked that day. In Guru Anjana, he is one of the favorite partners I have seen. You would love to work with him. I only feel as an article what you can pick up with him is his dedication. He works standing for you guys for 10 hours, for 11 hours. After that I call him and tell, Raja, picture go gana bani. And he tells, come on, let's go to a movie. And then he tells in the movie theatre, Kaal tumba nauta hai. I tell him, Raja, can I press it? And she also will tell him. But he tells, no, tomorrow morning I have a class at 7:30. He gets up at 5:30, takes his mom for a walk. 6:45 is ready. 7 o'clock I call him. At 7 o'clock he is ready for the call. We discuss a few of the strategic issues. We discuss a few of business development issues. We discuss a few of corporate law issues, and then he is in the class. He comes out of the class at 1:15 and he calls me. The moment he calls me again, one round of discussion happens and it goes on till 2:33. We sit down in a round table and there goes the discussion again. Again he comes back to your classes, works till maybe 8 o'clock, 8:15, 8:30, gets a myriad of calls from all of you. Yet one thing you cannot see missing him is his simplicity, is his humility, and his smile will never leave him. Catch him without his smile, that day I'll give you a gift.
Actually, 3rd November 2003 was the first time I met Vijay Raja sir. I had decided to take up CA, and I was so blessed that he was the guru that I came across. And I felt so much in love with his teachings and the way he used to mentor the students and be there for us always. I just did not want to leave him. I knew I had found my source, and I knew I wanted to be with him all my life. So soon after I finished my intermediate, I went to him for articleship, and as luck had it, there was a vacancy there, and I joined him as an article. And in all those 3 years, what all I have learned from him, with him, is beyond words for me to explain. The best thing that I have learned from Vijay Raja sir is the way he respects his parents. Till date, I have never heard him say a no for his parents ever. Be it however difficult, be it however unreasonable, he has always said a yes for his parents. And that I have inculcated so much in my life that today I see the happiness that I can give for my parents, and I think that's the best thing about him. From being a student to an article, then to a office partner, and then to being a part of Guru and Jana, the journey has just been phenomenal. It's 10 years now, and it still feels like I don't know so much about him, and it still feels like I've just known him yesterday. And his devotion and dedication towards the students, I have seen him cry for the students, I've seen him live for the students, I have seen him go without sleep for nights together to prepare for the classes, and to be able to do some value addition to the students. That's how loving about his students he is. There's a lot of passion in whatever he does, and he continues to teach as well as be a wonderful and amazing integral part of Guru and Jana. I think he works for more than 14 to 15 hours a day, and yet you never see him tired. I think that's the passion that talks about his energy. And one more, my life has been made up and blessed with a lot of teachers in life. After I have found Vijay Raja sir, he introduced me to my spiritual source, my other guru, Mahatriya. And the Infinity Prayer, which all of you pray for, is a very, very integral part. And I think I came across Vijay Raja sir in my life so that he could ultimately lead me to my God. And he is my God. I will be with him always, and he's been a great, great, great source of inspiration. And the message for all the students is that he's a living role model. Just hold his little finger and just go ahead, go ahead. He's always there, and being with him is like being in a rose garden. So as soon the longer you are in the rose garden, ultimately you will also smell like roses. And it makes me very happy that I shared the stage with you on November 15th, 2013 last year, where we spoke to 750 chartered accountants, and that was my way of telling thank you, teacher. And I'm very happy that I'm a very good student to you, and that all the students will be inspired, like through Vijay Raja sir, like the way I have been inspired with him.
Funny incidents is very difficult to tell about Vijay Raja because whenever he is around it's fun. But I can recollect two instances. We had to talk to the Tibetan monastery, and I had given him a big picture telling that entrepreneurs and business people of Tibet would be coming. You need to be prepared for a whole lot of things. He prepared for double taxation and those type of things. And actually when we went to the monastery, all were petty shopkeepers and they wanted to know petty cash. And he bet me black and blue that day, and that was a real funny incident. After that we went and sat down on a bench where the river Kaveri was flowing below us. We ordered for bonda pakodas and we ate for a long time. Then he cooled down quite a lot. That was one real funny incident I had with him. And the second time what we did is, we are 3-4 friends, very close. I told Raja, there is a business meeting, one British company is coming, we need to discuss with them how do we get entry services. And you have to be dressed to the peak, you have to wear a black suit, and I told him we'll make a presentation, everything. He came and told, where is the meeting? I told, no, the consultant who is going to take us will be coming to Cafe Coffee Day. It's in Forum Hall and we'll have to meet there. So Raja came with his laptop, full black and dress and all. Then we went to Dabang. We went to the Dabang movie, and that day also he went with black and blue. That was a real funny incident. And all of a sudden in the meetings he'll be very serious, and then we come back and tell Bani picture hogana. So we keep pulling his leg like crazy. And the last funny incident I recollect is one of his send-off parties was there. There was a speech I had to give to all the students. So I went there and told Raja likes, I don't know what, brownies. I told Raja I like brownies. Actually he doesn't like brownies. I just told Raja loves brownies. There are some 10 things which you never know about Raja which I know, and I told he loves brownies. From that day for the next 90 days he got brownies, and I love brownies. So he kept on bringing the brownies to office, and we used to eat those brownies. And the entire crowd, the students still thought that he loves brownies, but he doesn't like brownies. So this time I'm not going to make a mistake. Just rock on. See, most of you sitting here, I'm also a chartered accountant, and those days we didn't even have coaching classes, we didn't have study material. Most of you sitting here, everything is given to you in a platter. Raja's book is so easy for you to understand. Everything is given to you in a platter. But the problem most of you are doing is you are writing and studying to pass the exam. That is why you lack devotion. If you write and study with love for the subject, if you fall actually in love for the subject, the way you can understand the subject is amazing. Even today, after 18 years after my qualification, I can still remember the second page, third page, eighth page, 23rd page of my textbook. That is the devotion we had. So mostly you are going to the studies as a study. It is not a study. CA is a prayer. If you approach it with the love as if you approach your loved ones or God, your life is done. Otherwise, you just make an exam, that's about it. One was how we merged. Guru and Jana and Vijay Raja and company merged. I met Vijay Raja in our teachers program, Mahadreya's program in Chennai. And he was standing there, and I told, I am going to Bangalore, would you like to join me? He had a train ticket. I was driving down. So I told, yeah, I'll join you. So he sat in the front and I was in the driving seat and others were in the back. And we started talking about our values in the profession, our ethics in the profession, how we struggle to get things to perfection and all. Fortunately, everything seemed to match. So we stopped first after some time to have some bonda. We had 2 bondas. Raja loves fried food. Unbelievably, he loves fried food. We had 2 bondas and sat down. And after a couple of hours, we stopped for lunch. So Raja always keeps telling, between the bonda and the lunch, the merger happened. That was one of the most beautiful things. And second, what it means to the students was this instance when I saw him after the merger. Our merger happened in 27th of April. After that, the results came. I think the May results or June results came sometime in, I think May exam results came in July. And some students started walking into the office, took his blessings, gave sweets. He just took the sweets and full day he couldn't work in the office. He was seeing his computer, he sees the door. He was seeing the computer, he sees his mobile. He sees the computer, sees the mobile. Then after some time I asked him, what's wrong with you? You're not okay at all. Then I could see him very, very distinctly have a small drop of tears in his eyes. His throat was very wet. It was parched. And he just did this once and went into the bathroom. And he came back and his eyes has become blood red. I think he had cried like crazy. Then I took him out for coffee and told what did happen. What happened to you? He told, I am so happy some of them have passed. But I am also feeling so sad that so many students have not come to tell me about their success. Did I do something wrong? Or did they do something wrong? I don't know. But the only prayer I have to God is let them not get hurt. Let each of them flourish as a chartered accountant. And that day I could not see him. He could never concentrate on anything. He just went home early. It took him almost 2-3 days to recover. Maybe I felt even if some of you have failed, I hope nobody ever failed. You would not feel as bad as what he is going to undergo. He is there for you. Do ensure that you come with sweets to the office. Thank you.
He was a bit naughty, but when he came up after the school days, when he joined the college, as a matter of fact, I used to guide him up to PUC. And once he joined BCom, he took things on his own and took decisions. Of course, he used to consult me every time, which course he has to take and all that. Once he joined the Commerce BCom, then he took himself and then ICWA did it simultaneously along with BCom. And then afterwards, I think for a few months, he took classes for ICWA students also. And then he joined for a company. And suddenly he said, I want to be independent, I don't want to be working somewhere. So he wanted to do CA. So I said, okay, go ahead. So then he went on taking exams and passing with colors.
Flying colors.
In all the exams. And the first attempt in all the exams. And I think he mended himself and even his behavior also changed as a mature person. And he started he had a very good, he built up a very good rapport,
Yes, sir.
both with the students and in the office, with the staff, and also the family.
Okay.
And wherever he finds time, he spends his time with his children and wife and at home with us.
Yes.
And till today he is keeping up the same rapport and tries to convince everybody for any problem. We are overwhelmed
Yes.
with our happiness that he is taking such a good career. I mean, he is shaping the career of so many students.
Yes, sir.
That is more
My son
important.
ವಿಜಯರಾಜ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ನಾಟಿ
Okay.
ಬಟ್ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ
Okay.
ಮೊದಲಿಂದಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ
ಹಾಂ.
ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ.
Wow.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯ್ ರಾಜ 5 ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು 5 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಅದೇ ಥರ BCom, ICWA, LLB, CA, ACS ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಣ. CAನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡ್ಲು,
Yeah.
ICWನಲ್ಲಿ 3rd ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಮತ್ತು LLB ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಮನೇಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ವಿಜಯ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಗು, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
Happiness.
All our
ವಿಜಯ್ ರಾಜ ಅಂದರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್.
all our relatives
Huh.
like him so much.
Yes, sir.
And his presence itself will make the
Yeah.
atmosphere very
Positive.
lively.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ವೈಫು,
Okay.
ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಮೇರಿಕಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Okay.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆಲ್ಲೂ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು.
To keep your parents also happy.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Wherever and whenever it is possible,
Yes, sir.
you should keep up a good rapport with them. And naturally, that gives you some kind of satisfaction when your family people are happy.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It's something like reflection.
Yeah.
Their happiness will reflect with you, in you also.
Yeah.
That is
ನನಗೆ
important.
ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ವಿಜಯ್ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಡೈಲಿ ಲಾಲ್ಬಾಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾನು
Okay.
ವಿಜಯ್. 1 hour ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ದಿನದ್ದು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೈಟ್ ಏನೇನು ನಡೀತು, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಏನೇನು ವಿಷಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 1 hour ವಾಕಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
First time.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಓದೋದು ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಓದೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಥರ ತಲೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಪಾಠನ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓದೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
It
ಓದ್ತಾ
gets
ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
recorded in his mind.
Yeah, that's
ಒಂದು
computer.
ಸರಿ ಓದಿದ್ರು ಸಾಕು, ಅದು ಹಾಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
Okay.
He says regarding your teaching,
Yeah.
teaching is only a passion for me, it's not money.
Yeah.
Money is not criterion there, but of course, passion is my, teaching is my passion. So I want to continue that, that's what he says.
Okay.
Of course, as you know, for his qualification, he can spend a lot of time in the office and all
Yeah.
that, earn more and all that.
Yeah.
But he says that's not a criterion.
Okay.
It's only the teaching that gives me the satisfaction. So naturally, whatever he has learned, he wants to
Convey to us, all the
convey to
students.
others so that they can learn more. Actually, the first moment, that is, as a matter of fact, I told you, in the childhood he was a bit naughty and all
Yeah.
that. He was not very good in school also.
Okay.
But when he came to PUC, As a matter of fact, he did not know which course he is joining.
Okay.
I took him to the college and gave him this subject, commerce. And during the first year, the principal sent word to me, to Vijay College, Vijay College, mine. I was wondering, why is there any complaint about it, about him and all that? Then the principal said, I was, as a matter of fact, thinking myself, maybe he did something wrong in his school, or he was not studying, or something like that. But when I went there, it was a shocking news for me. The principal was requesting me, you just please encourage your son so that we will get a rank in our college. Then I was really wonderstruck. How is it possible? Because he was not such a bright student in the school, but in the college suddenly he is about to take a rank. What does it mean? That was the moment when I got shocked and also very
Happy.
Kannada and Sanskrit, they say, your lifespan is not enough to learn everything. You have to learn from so many others also,
Yeah.
so that you can increase your knowledge.
Yeah.
There is a slogan for National College. Ano Bhadra Rutavo Yantu Sarvataha.
Okay.
Let noble thoughts come to us from all sides.
Okay.
Like that.
So from everywhere.
Yeah. Even in Kannada they say, ಕೆಲವು ಬಲ್ಲವರಿಂದ ಕೆಲವು ಸಜ್ಜನರಿಂದ ಕೆಲವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹರರಾಶಿ ಚಂದ ಸೋಮೇಶ್ವರ. So we have to learn so many, because anybody for that matter, one's lifespan is not enough to learn everything in the world.
Okay.
Trying sad and much spite under the blind. Shiny and contoured, the railway winds. And I've heard this sound from my cousin's bed, the hiss of the train at the railway head. Always the summers are slipping away. sides, I'm in luck. When the evening reaches here, you're tired.